Good afternoon, madam, and welcome to our shoe store. We've just received a wide variety of shoes, ranging from elegant heels to comfortable sneakers. So please let me know if there is something specific you are hoping to find today.
Hello, thank you. Actually, I'm searching for a pair of shoes that strike a perfect balance between comfort and style. Something I could wear while walking long distances, but at the same time, they should look fashionable enough to match both casual and semi-formal outfits.
That's a wonderful choice. We do have several models that are designed with both functionality and appearance in mind. May I ask what shoe size you usually wear so I can bring you the most suitable options?
Most of the time, I wear size 38, but depending on the design and the shape of the shoe, sometimes size 39 feels more comfortable. Do you happen to have both sizes available, just in case?
Yes, absolutely. Let me show you two pairs from our newest collection. He opens two boxes. This pair is a classic walking shoe in size 38, while this one is the same design in size 39, so you can compare the fit and see which one feels better.
They look really nice and stylish. The design is simple yet elegant. Would it be possible for me to try them on right now?
Of course, madam. Please, have a seat here on this bench, and I'll assist you while you try them on.
Thank you. That's very kind of you. These size 38 shoes feel a little too tight around my toes.
Yes, sometimes the cut of the shoe makes the smaller size less comfortable. Would you like to try the size 39 pair, which usually gives a bit more room and flexibility?
Yes, please. I'd like to compare them. Oh, these feel much better. They're not too loose, and I can move my feet comfortably inside.
Excellent. How do they feel when you stand up and walk a few steps across the store? The soles are designed to absorb shock and give extra support.
Let me test them. Wow, I can immediately feel how soft and light they are. They seem perfect for wearing on a daily basis, especially for long walks.
I'm glad you feel the difference. The material is breathable, which means your feet won't get too warm. And the sole has special cushioning technology that protects the arches of your feet support.
That sounds very impressive. I like them. By the way, how much are they?
This particular pair is $65, but today we're offering a special discount of 20%, so you can get them for a much more affordable price.
That's a pleasant surprise. Do you happen to have this exact model in different colors? I'd like to choose a shade that matches most of my outfits.
Yes, indeed. We have them in black, which is always a classic choice, in white, which looks fresh and modern, and in navy blue, which is elegant and slightly unique. Which of these colors do you think would suit your wardrobe best?
The black pair is timeless and easy to match, but the navy blue really catches my eye. It's stylish without being too flashy. I think I'll go for the navy blue.
An excellent choice. The navy blue is very popular among our customers this season. Would you like me to bring the navy blue pair in size 39 so you can try them on as well?
Yes, please. I'd feel more confident if I could try them before making the final decision.
Here you go, madam. Please try them on and see if they feel as comfortable as the previous pair.
Trying the navy blue pair. Oh, these are perfect. The color is exactly what I was hoping for, and the fit is just right. I'll definitely take them.
Wonderful choice. Would you like to pay by cash or credit card today?
By card, please. It's more convenient for me.
No problem at all. He processes the payment. Here's your receipt, and your new shoes are neatly packed in this bag.
Thank you very much for your professional and friendly assistance. It was really a pleasant shopping experience.
It's always a pleasure to help. Enjoy your new shoes, madam, and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thanks again. Goodbye.